Hey everyone, this is Scott with DraGonFly Ventures, bringing you another incredible journey this week, so kick back, relax, and immerse yourself in the show. Have you ever wondered how polar bears survive in the harsh conditions of the Arctic? This is a realm where temperatures can plummet to bone-rattling lows, a world shrouded in ice and snow. It's the Arctic, a region of extremes, yet it's home to one of nature's most tenacious creatures, the polar bear. In this icy wilderness, sustenance is scarce. The polar bear's primary prey, the seal, is elusive and difficult to catch. Add to this the ever-changing ice conditions, which can make hunting a perilous endeavor. But let's not forget one crucial aspect of survival: reproduction. The breeding habits of the polar bear are as unique as the environment they inhabit. The female polar bears, or sows, generally give birth to twin cubs which are raised and protected fiercely by their mothers. Once matured, these cubs then go on to continue the cycle of survival in the harsh Arctic conditions. The polar bear therefore is a symbol of adaptation. It has evolved to not only survive but thrive in these punishing conditions. Consider the polar bear's thick layer of blubber, which insulates against the cold, or their white fur that provides camouflage against the snow. These are but a few of the remarkable adaptations that allow these majestic creatures to endure. These challenges the polar bear thrives, using unique adaptations including their distinctive breeding habits, to survive in this extreme environment. Now, let's journey from the Arctic to the Antarctic, the coldest place on Earth. What comes to mind when you think of the Antarctic? Vast, icy landscapes stretching as far as the eye can see, perhaps? Or maybe the iconic emperor penguins huddling together for warmth in the brutal cold. Yet they must also be wary of the dangerous leopard seal, an apex predator in these frigid waters. This frozen continent at the bottom of our planet is a stark contrast to the inhabited regions we're familiar with. It's a place where survival is indeed a feat in itself, not just due to the harsh climate but also the presence of formidable predators like the leopard seal. The Antarctic presents a myriad of challenges, from intense cold that can drop to 80 degrees below zero, to strong winds that whip across the ice at over 100 miles per hour, and long periods of darkness that can last up to 6 months. Yet, amidst these harsh conditions and potential threats, life finds a way. From the microscopic organisms beneath the ice to the majestic whales in the surrounding oceans, each creature here has adapted in extraordinary ways to thrive. Yet even here, life prevails, demonstrating the resilience of nature in the harshest of conditions. Join us now, as we embark on a journey through ice and time. The history of polar expeditions is a testament to humanity's insatiable curiosity and relentless quest for discovery. The icy landscapes of the Arctic and Antarctica have long been subjects of fascination, their remote and hostile environments posing considerable challenges to explorers. Yet, undeterred by these daunting conditions, brave individuals have ventured into the unknown, driven by a desire to uncover the mysteries hidden beneath the ice. One such person was Norwegian explorer Roald Amundsen, who led the first successful expedition to reach the South Pole in December of 1911. Battling severe weather conditions and treacherous terrain, Amundsen and his team demonstrated remarkable endurance and determination. Their accomplishment marked a significant milestone in polar exploration, providing invaluable insights into this uncharted territory. The motivations behind these explorations vary as widely as the explorers themselves. Some are driven by scientific curiosity, eager to study the unique ecosystems and geological formations of these polar regions. Others are propelled by a sense of adventure, the thrill of exploring untouched landscapes and pushing the boundaries of human endurance. Regardless of their motivations, these explorers share a common trait: a profound respect for the natural world. They understand the importance of preserving these pristine environments and the delicate balance of life they support. Their expeditions are not merely journeys of discovery, but also missions of conservation. The stories of these explorers serve as a reminder of the power of human spirit and resilience. They remind us of our ability to adapt and overcome, to push beyond our perceived limits and to venture into the unknown. Their expeditions have also contributed significantly to our understanding of these remote regions. The data collected during these journeys have provided invaluable insights into the unique ecosystems, wildlife, and geological formations of the polar regions. These brave explorers have expanded our knowledge of these remote regions, paving the way for further scientific discovery. Their stories continue to inspire us, reminding us of the beauty and mystery of our world and our enduring desire to understand it. But these polar regions are not static, they are changing at an alarming rate. Let's talk about climate change and its impact on the Arctic and Antarctic regions. The situation is grave and the changes are dramatic. The ice caps, those vast expanses of gleaming white that we've been admiring, are melting. The cause? Rising global temperatures. The consequence? Rising sea levels. Imagine the vastness of the Arctic and Antarctic slowly but surely losing their icy splendor. The ice is melting faster than it can be replaced, a phenomenon that's been accelerating over the last few decades. The result is a loss of ice cover that is not just a visual change, but a real and pressing concern. Now, why should we worry about rising sea levels? Well, the answer is simple. The majority of the world's population lives near the coast. Rising sea levels mean more coastal flooding, more destruction, more displacement of people. It's a domino effect, and it starts at the poles. But it's not just about us humans. The effect on polar wildlife is profound, particularly for the polar bears. These magnificent creatures are supreme survivors, perfectly adapted to life on the ice. But even they are struggling. The sea ice they depend on for hunting is disappearing, making it harder for them to find food. Their survival is becoming increasingly challenging in this ever-changing Arctic environment. Indeed, polar bears have become the poster child for the effects of climate change. But they are not the only ones affected. The entire ecosystem, from the tiniest krill to the largest whale, is feeling the impact. The balance of life at the poles is being disrupted, and it's happening right before our eyes. The poles are changing, and the changes are resonating across the globe. The future of these majestic regions is uncertain. But one thing is abundantly clear. What happens in the Arctic and Antarctic doesn't stay in the Arctic and Antarctic. It affects us all. The future of these majestic regions is uncertain, but it's clear that what happens here will have a global impact. Despite the challenges, the polar regions remain some of the most beautiful and awe-inspiring places on Earth. The Arctic and Antarctic, though harsh and unforgiving, are landscapes of spectacular wonder. From the majestic polar bears navigating the ever-changing Arctic environment to the ethereal ice formations that defy the laws of geometry, these regions offer a visual spectacle like no other. The human touch, while often disruptive, has also led to amazing feats of endurance and discovery. We've journeyed to the South Pole, braved icy waters, and uncovered secrets hidden beneath the ice. And yet, our exploration is far from over. Changes in these polar regions are a stark reminder of our impact on the planet. The melting ice, shifting habitats, and the struggle of the wildlife are challenges we face. But within these challenges, there is a profound beauty. The resilience and adaptability of life in these extreme conditions is nothing short of awe-inspiring. As we continue to explore and learn from these extreme environments, we gain a deeper appreciation for the resilience of life on Earth.